Hello, friends. Trade of the week for you this week. But first, before we do, let's take a look at last week. UNG was a wonderful move out of that trend break as we had hoped for. If you're long this is the 50-day moving average. This could be a wonderful place to take half off as a near-term target. I am participating in BOIL, which is a double of the nat gas. Also doing well. Hope to sell some up here. Now, this week's trade of the week, we're going to look at something a little different in terms of time frame. The trade of the week is SHOP. Nothing really special here on the daily, kind of jumbled up on the moving averages in the daily frame, a couple of good green candles, but after earnings, you can see it's sold off. But if we do a change in time and we go to weekly, this stock is a much more clean view on the weekly chart. And you can see it's basing wonderfully. It's been a lot higher in the past. If this base can hold on this 20 and 10 week moving average and the 50-week moving average for that matter, all three of these are now back above their key moving averages after falling down under support, under resistance, I should say. Again, these moving averages were holding the price down, but now we have come out of this base, popped above the moving average. A pullback is totally acceptable, and we found support at the 20-week and the 50-week moving average. So this is a solid setup play. The idea is to take out the high of Friday, which is 43.50, and play this from a longer term perspective. Any close back under 40 would be your out. So trade of the week, SHOP, but look at it from a weekly perspective and give it a little bit of wiggle room. All right, good luck out there.